Hi! What's your name? My name is Oliver Armanzano from Falwell. Taga-saan ka, Falwell? From Nueva Ecija po, Santo Domingo. Ilan taong ka? Coming 19 po this September. Coming 19.
Apelido mo raw Manzano?
Yes, sir. Falwell, Manzano!
Baka ka mag-anak mo si Luis.
Sir, palagay ko rin eh. Si Luis, ang mag-anak mo ko, Brad.
Ay, mukha nga kayo eh.
Sabi ko po.
Oo.
Oh, good luck, Falwell!
Bilabon mo mga Manzano, ha? Manzano, kilalang mga awit. Ito, ang mga Manzano.
But tonight, the word is fighting.
Manzano nga!
Been this way before. No, you don't think that I am trying.
Ambog nga!
Before. But hold your breath, because tonight will be the night, and I will fall for you over again. To make me change my mind, where I want to live to see another day. I swear it's true. It's so impossible to find, so impossible to find. If it's not where I intended, oh,
Manzano nga!
I'll never fall apart. You always thought that I was stronger. I may have felt that I have loved you from the start. Oh, but only regret. But I will be tonight, and I will fall for you and over again. So make me change my mind, where I want to live. See another day, I swear. Tama, Manzano nga to.
Gusto ko lang magpaliwanag. Nakausap ko magulang, ampun ka. Ako naman, may sasabihin lang ako. Do it, do it.